7 most powerful missiles of the U.S. Navy. The U.S. Navy's arsenal features some of the most powerful and advanced missiles in the world. Designed to ensure maritime dominance and national security. From the state-of-the-art Trident II D5 ballistic missile, which is a crucial component of the nation's nuclear deterrent, to the evolved Sea Sparrow missile, designed to counter supersonic maneuvering anti-ship missiles. These weapons exemplify cutting-edge technology and unparalleled firepower. Together, these missiles highlight the Navy's commitment to maintaining unmatched maritime superiority. 7. RIM-162 Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile, ESSM. The ESSM is an atmospheric surface-to-air interceptor missile developed from the RIM-7 Sea Sparrow. It is 12 feet in length and 10 inches in diameter, with a range of around 31 miles. The missile carries an 86 pounds blast fragmentation warhead. Using solid fuel, the ESSM travels at Mach 4, relying on inertial and semi-active radar for guidance. This missile is designed to counter supersonic maneuvering anti-ship missiles. The evolved Sea Sparrow can be fired from various launchers, including the Mark 29 Guided Missile Launching System, Mark 41 VLS, Mark 48 VLS, Mark 56 Guided Missile VLS, and the Mark 57 Peripheral Vertical Launching System. Additionally, the RIM-162 can interface with all NATO Sea Sparrow surface missile system configurations, as well as the Aegis weapons system. On Aegis-equipped ships, ESSMs are typically fired from the Mark 41 VLS, with 4 interceptors quad-packed into a single launch cell. On October 9, 2016, the USS Mason fired 1 RIM-162 ESSM to defend against 2 incoming Houthi anti-ship cruise missiles, potentially Chinese-built C-802 missiles. It is unknown if the RIM-162 was responsible for intercepting either of the missiles, but the incident marked the first time the ESSM was used in a combat situation. 6. Harpoon Anti-Ship Missile. The Harpoon has a long and storied history in U.S. service, serving as the primary anti-ship armament of the U.S. Navy from the 1970s to the present. Harpoon missiles can be launched from surface ships, submarines, shore batteries, and naval aircraft, including the FA-18AF, Lockheed P-3C Orion, and Boeing P-8 Poseidon. According to Boeing, which currently produces the Harpoon, the missile utilizes GPS-aided inertial navigation to strike targets by hitting a designated aim point. As it nears the target, the missile's active radar locks on, allowing it to adjust its trajectory for accuracy. Upon impact, its 488-pound blast warhead is designed to pierce the ship's hull and detonate, causing significant damage to enemy vessels. With a range of more than 190 miles and a subsonic speed, the Harpoon remains a powerful, long arm of the Navy. 5. Naval Strike Missile. The Naval Strike Missile, NSM, is a long-range precision strike weapon that seeks and destroys enemy ships at distances greater than 120 miles. It immediately advances the U.S. Navy's vision of distributed lethality, ensuring control and freedom of the seas. Despite its smaller size, weighing only about 880 pounds, the NSM is able to fly over and around land masses, travel in sea-skimming mode, and then make random maneuvers in the terminal phase, making it harder to stop by enemy countermeasures. The NSM's target selection technology allows for independent detection, recognition, and discrimination of targets at sea or on the coast, using an imaging infrared seeker and an onboard target database. It navigates using GPS, inertial, and TERCOM systems. After being launched into the air by a solid rocket booster, which is jettisoned upon burning out, the missile is propelled to its target at a subsonic speed of Mach 0.93 by a turbojet sustainer engine, leaving the 260-pound multi-purpose blast fragmentation warhead to do its work, which, in the case of a ship target, means impacting the ship at or near the waterline. The cost of $1.9 million per missile reflects its advanced technology and precision capabilities. 4. Standard Missile 6. This missile, called the SM-6, also known as the 174 Standard Extended Range Active Missile, is a multi-mission missile capable of anti-air warfare, terminal ballistic missile defense and anti-ship strike roles. It has a maximum speed of Mach 3.5. Estimates of the SM-6's range vary. Its official published range is 150 miles, but it could be anywhere from 230 miles to as much as 290 miles. It's a fantastic surface-to-air weapon, highly maneuverable and aerodynamically advanced. It can stop incoming ballistic and cruise missiles that are attempting to attack a warship. It can operate in the atmosphere, has very low altitude capability, and can acquire, attack, and destroy targets with a 140-pound blast fragmentation warhead. The Navy introduced the SM-6 into service in 2013, and it has since become a key component of the Naval Service's defensive capabilities. The SM-6 is also relatively more expensive than other naval surface warfare weapons, costing $4 million per missile. 3. AGM-158C Long-Range Anti-Ship Missile, or LRASM. The LRASM promises to deliver long-range, highly survivable, and lethal capabilities against heavily defended surface combatants. This precision-guided intelligent anti-ship missile is designed to engage a variety of surface threats at very long ranges, navigating semi-autonomously to the target and delivering a 1,000-pound blast fragmentation warhead from a safe, standoff distance. With an operational range of 230 miles, a single missile would likely cripple a 9,000-ton destroyer-sized ship. The LRASM is expensive as well, each costing over $3 million. 2. Tomahawk Cruise Missile. The U.S. military can strike anywhere in the world with precision at short notice. The Tomahawk long-range cruise missile is one of the top weapon systems that enable that capability. A jet-powered subsonic munition, the Tomahawk is designed to fly at extremely low altitudes and use tailored guidance systems to evade air defenses. It combines destructive capability with flexibility, making it highly valuable on the modern battlefield. The missile's accuracy allows it to take out high-value targets or concentrations of troops and weapon systems, while also being able to adjust course after being fired. The Tomahawk packs a 1,000-pound blast fragmentation unitary warhead. The most recent version, Block 4 Tactical Tomahawk, features a data link that allows it to switch targets in flight and loiter for hours, changing course instantly on command. The latest Block V version includes improved navigation and communications capabilities, allowing commanders to adapt to operational developments on the battlefield. Depending on the version, the Tomahawk has a range between 250 and 1,550 miles, with some variance ranges remaining classified. Each missile costs around $2 million, which is considered reasonable given its tactical, operational, and strategic impact. 1. Trident II D5 Ballistic Missile. The Trident II is the most powerful and reliable weapon in the U.S. military arsenal, a system so potent that it is the centerpiece of U.S. efforts to prevent nuclear war. First deployed in 1990, this missile is currently aboard Ohio-class submarines, serving as the primary U.S. sea-based nuclear ballistic missile. The Trident II D5 is a larger, heavier missile. Its payload includes a post-boost vehicle that can carry up to 12 re-entry vehicles, though New START treaty limits the number to 8. These re-entry vehicles can be either the Mark IV, with a W-76 100-kiloton yield warhead, or the Mark V, with a W-88 475-kiloton yield warhead. The Trident II D5 SLBM is a 3-stage, solid-fuel, inertially guided missile with a maximum effective range of 7,456 miles. The missile's warheads are launched by 3 solid-fueled booster stages and are dispersed toward their targets by a liquid-fueled bus in the missile's front end. During the height of the Cold War, even a single Ohio-class submarine could potentially reduce as many as 288 city-sized targets to radioactive ash in less than 30 minutes. Indeed, these vessels and their payloads could end human civilization in less time than it takes to order a pizza if a Third World War were to break out.